Hey guys, showing you this projector screen from Towond. This is a 84-inch indoor projector screen or outdoor portable screen, 16 by 9, 4K HD rear front projection movie screen with a carry bag. It's a wrinkle-free design. You can see a carry bag here. It's a very nice and handy. Can create your screen anywhere with everything marked on the package. So the sandbags also there if you want putting it outdoor. And this is all the part A, part B, how to install it, or the screen, the stand on the bottom that you can do, and these stands are adjustable with the height and with the screws that you can adjust for a stable position. So two stands for the two corners, and all the accessories and the tubes are provided to put it in the screen to make it a frame. So this one support like a 3D visual, 4K Ultra HD or 1080 Full HD. So the screen size is around like 84 inches. So this is all the other stuff that you can see. So this is how you can install, and I'm just showing you the manual, so sometimes it's handy how to adjust because I will try to assemble it very quickly. So I adjust the stands. I will put in the string with this holders and attach all these rods here. So all these pipes goes into the screen itself, from the sides and on the top and the corner from the side. So as you can see, this installation is straightforward and with a stable bracket and was 160 degree viewing angle, and a fabric screen, so you can put it on the bedroom or outdoor or wherever you want to put. So this is the screen, a soft screen, anti-wrinkle, or you can iron or steam of it. So this is a fabric that you can use, and you just put in the rod like in the corner and then on the sides in the one. And now I'm just trying to project through a Towond 1080p portable projector, and you can see the clarity in the video. So this is a 4K video I'm playing from the HDMI, and on the YouTube on the screen you can adjust it based on your distance and everything, but the clarity is really nice with the capturing and the light duration. So very nice screen that you can use anywhere.